Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a little trip to St. Theresa Road in Green Acres, St. Catherine. If walls could talk, the walls of this beautiful property would. The house is just above road and is evenly graded and sits on 0.21 acre of land. A ceramic tiled, non-skid type driveway provide vehicular access to the carport. You can relax or sip a cup of coffee on the different patios while viewing the mountains and community. Some other features of this house includes spacious living, dining and kitchen, beautiful stairs with nice landing, a pantry, laundry area, and house also grilled for added security. The gardens are well kept with various species of flowers. Embrace this contemporary twist and make it yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million. To purchase our make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.